Well, alarming new comments coming from the White House regarding the COVID-19 vaccine distribution in Florida.
Now, the president's press secretary said Florida has not used all the vaccines sent to us, not even close.
8 on your side's Marco Villarreal joining us live in Tampa this morning with this. Good morning, Marco.
Hey, good morning. Well, here on 8 on your side, we have reported on the mismatch of numbers from the CDC when it comes to the number of people being vaccinated here in the state and what the governor is touting in his press briefings. Governor DeSantis has been critical of President Biden's vaccination plan. And now this from the White House after a reporter asked their thoughts on the governor's comments.
I will note, because we're data first here, facts first here, they've only distributed about 50% of the vaccines that they have been given in Florida. So clearly they have a good deal of the vaccine. That supply will need to continue to increase as they are able to effectively reach people across the state.
Jen Psaki went on to say that the process is not just about having enough vaccines, but also having a solid plan in place. Here in Florida, the governor has left coming up with and executing a plan up to hospitals and county health departments. County health directors have told 8 on your side, while there may have been issues at the beginning of the vaccine rollout, they have found a way to distribute vaccines effectively as long as there's enough supply. Many seniors, though, have reached out to 8 on your side, frustrated with trying to get an appointment.
What I'm afraid is now that they're going to maybe again open up the available group of people to even more and more people.
Now, one of the biggest problems is this surge of seniors all trying to get the vaccine at the same time. That has overwhelmed online systems and phone banks that are taking these registrations. And coming up on News Channel 8 at 6 o'clock, we're going to talk about what the governor is saying most recently and the pat on the back he's giving the state for what we've done so far with the vaccine rollout. Reporting live in Tampa, Marco Villarreal, 8 on your side.